What's up, blog? We turned up. Yeah, wait till you see the part of tomorrow. I'm gonna throw the part of the century. Stay tuned.
Can't ball in a life, man.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renee, and if you're new, welcome to a new vlog. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. So it's the morning time, and I just woke up. Well, not just woke up. I went to work. I worked for like 2 hours, and now I'm in here cooking breakfast. Let me show y'all what I'm making. Alright, so y'all see, I'm making eggs and sausage for the kids. I don't think I'm gonna eat any of it. I'm about to make me another make me some iced coffee. I really don't know what we got planned for today. I do know that I have to go to the doctor's, see my rheumatologist. So I got that. We're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna find something to get into today. Y'all gonna spend the whole day with me as a mom and as a work from home mommy, and just come along, tag along with you, girl. Y'all, I lost more weight. I'm down to 260. What was it? 263. So I'm very happy about that. Well, that's what the scale said this morning. But we'll see when I get to the doctor's office. It's probably gonna go up like 2 pounds. But right now, I'm just making this breakfast. We got to make some iced coffee. I had a cup of hot coffee when I first got it at like 7 a.m. So we had to start work at 7. But it's time for 2 more. No, look how good you did, good. Period. Alright, let's turn that off. Alright, y'all, so I got ice in my cup. You know what? I should put a little bit more ice because this is not enough. Hold on. I gotta get it. Let me put some water in my machine. Alright, we got more ice. And I got this 0-calorie salted caramel. A little goes a long way, because for some reason I just feel like it's way sweeter than the like regular caramel, so I don't use a lot of that at all because it's like it overpowers it. What's crazy is whatever sweetener they use in this is really sweet for some strange reason to me, but it's 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 everything, 0. I got my Starbucks coffee. And y'all know I love this one, so I'll use this. 0 calorie as well. I mean, not 0 calorie, but it's 20 calories, but 0 sugar. And I know some of the girlies be like, oh, put protein shake in it. I don't like to put protein shake in it all the time. Sometimes, but not all the time. So. Yep, tastes just fine. Sure do. Put all this up. I'm really not in the mood to eat. Like, I have no appetite, but I know that I have to put something on my stomach. I wonder if this avocado is good. Yeah. I guess I might make me some egg whites. I really don't want to eat, y'all. I gotta force myself to. Let's eat something small with a little bit of protein so I don't get sick later. And then let me just finish this and I'll get back with y'all. I gotta hurry up. My appointment's at 11 o'clock and I think it's like 9:30. So yeah, and I live like 20 minutes away from my doctor's appointment. So yeah, let me hurry up, fix the kids' plates, and then I'm gonna check back in with y'all. Alright, y'all, so I made the kids their food. Boom. We're about to go wake them up. Well, I think they're already up. Mimi, good morning. Say hi to the vlog. Y'all, look at her room, it's a mess. Say good morning. Girl, you look like you slept good. Hey, Jackson. Come on. Y'all, look at Jackson. I ran down the hallway so quick before I can get him. And think of Jackson right there. He's sitting down eating. All right, y'all. So they sitting down eating their breakfast. Is it good, Mimi? Yeah. Okay. Now I need to make Gerald's plate and then make my plate. I think I'm gonna make me like a breakfast taco. So I'm gonna use these right here with a little avocado and some salsa. And yeah, that's just what I'm gonna eat. I need to hurry up because I keep talking to y'all and I need to get ready. What is you doing, girl? Sit down. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all. So we're gonna make my taco really quickly. I'm gonna put a little bit of this egg on here. This egg, white egg. Ooh, the egg falling off. I like these little tortillas because they're so low in calorie and there's 0 carbs or whatever. That's good. We're gonna add a little bit of this. Let's just break it up a little bit. And 1 sausage. This is protein, y'all. You know what's so crazy? I'm making all this. Still won't be able to eat all of it. That's the crazy part. But it's cool. It is cool. And then we're going to add a little bit of the avocado on top. On both of them. And then we're going to add a little bit of tomatoes on top. Ooh. Okay. That's all it can fit because I don't know why I'm putting all this on there anyway. I can't eat all this. I'm still going to. Let's just try it anyway. You know? Dang, my little taco won't even close, y'all. Here, take a bite. Here. That's what What's Facey be saying on TikTok. Alright, y'all. I know y'all be like, dang, no sauce, no nothing. Nah, that's more calories. We don't need no more calories. Y'all can't see my face. Alright, let me just go ahead and take a bite. Hold on, let me pray first. Alright. Oh, shit. Everything falling off. But it's good though. It's high in calorie. I mean, low in calorie. I'm finished this. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Y'all, so I was only able to eat one, which I knew I was gonna be able to eat one. I'm just gonna save the rest of this for tomorrow, and this will be my breakfast for tomorrow. Alright, y'all, so I gotta do her hair. It's literally like 10 o'clock, and we have to be at the appointment at 11. Look how I really gotta hurry up. I'm putting like 2 ponytails. Mimi, tell me you be back in a minute. You gonna be looking good in a minute. Say, tell them bye. Alright, y'all, so a little update to the update. We missed my doctor's appointment. That's that. It took them forever to get everybody together, but we about to head out because we got to go run some errands and we're gonna go to the store and stuff. And I'm just bringing y'all along for all of that. So yeah, let me go because they rushing me. Let me go.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
What's poppin'?
Y'all, y'all. Look what she done found. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, it's Minnie Mouse. What about this one? You like that one? Or the mermaid? Or the unicorn? Now look what she got on. Okay. Come on, let's go this way. Come on. Mimi, come on. Give me your hand. Y'all, these kids going crazy. Everybody started picking up stuff as soon as we made it up in here. Ooh, I need to get me a new water bottle. You know I love a good water bottle. Let's see. I like those up there, but I can't even reach it. What you got? Let me see.
$5.
Okay. Okay.
Even when I'm sitting there alone all by myself, it's different when I think you might be with somebody. It's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different. This shit.
Y'all, so as y'all can see, we're getting plants for my mom because it's her birthday and my mom loves plants just like I do. So I got her a nice little plant. Let me show y'all the plant. This is the plant that we got her. I know she's gonna like it. It's so cute. And yeah, y'all, I want to get something because I want to plant. I want to make me a garden. Like, I don't know what I should start off with. Because right now I'm growing a pineapple, but I want to grow some vegetables next. And what do y'all think would be the easiest for me to start off with? I don't know. Look at those are the flowers. But I want to do some type of vegetable. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. It is 2:37 p.m. Yeah, I ain't been with the camera all day. But I'm in the car right now. We about to head to the beach and go chill out and relax till like nighttime or whatever. And then, oh y'all, I got a coupon from churches, y'all. Look at this. I'm about to show y'all this. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh, boom. Y'all see? If y'all, look, y'all better check out mailbox. There's some good deals. You can get a 12-piece for $14.99 or a 16-piece for $19.99. They got a 2 for $6 chicken sandwich. A buy one large premium side, get one free. You can get a free, oh, they gave us a free regular fry. A free half gallon of any beverage with the purchase of a family meal. They got like a 3-piece on here for $3.99 or a 2 could die for $9.99. But yeah, we going here today. But I just want to pick up the camera and say hi to you guys because I ain't talked to y'all all day. Let me go before they start acting the fool. Y'all know the kids like to act the fool.
Wait, I want to say hi.
Okay, tell them hi.
Hi, you guys. Hi. I hope you guys subscribe to our video because we need to hit to like 20,000 subscribers. So please subscribe.
Yeah, please subscribe. Alright y'all, so we finally made it here. I got Mackenzie into the little cart thing or whatever.
Oh.
And we got our things we're gonna put on our back, our chairs. They like have like a strap so you can put it on your back. And she just sitting in here. I'm about to put Jackson in here on this side. And then yeah, we're gonna roll this up on right there. But this is where we at right here. There go Gerald. He just finished changing his clothes. And Jackson and Carter's in the car sleep. So yeah. But we have finally made it. It was so much traffic, y'all. literally took us forever to get here. So happy to get out this car. But yeah, this is the fit. Hold on, let me see if I can show y'all. I just have on cover up and a black one-piece bathing suit. That's it. Mimi, you ready to get in the water? Y'all, so it is not crowded out here, which is good because I don't like when it's crowded. But look. Y'all, it feels so good out here. Like, it is. This little breeze feels so good. And it's not packed where we sit now. Very relaxing. I'm just sitting down in my chair. And Mimi is better saying talking still. Just wanted to check in with y'all. After we leave here, we're going to get something to eat. So I'm just relaxing on this good day. And yeah. Nice and peace and quiet. Let's see the ocean. Because at night time, I turn the ocean on and I just be listening to it. Sometimes I just listen to it throughout the day too while I'm working and stuff. But finally I can just listen to the waves and go to sleep. I'm about to take a little nap. I swear. Just want to check in with y'all. I'll see y'all in the video. Guys, so y'all haven't seen me in about 3 or 4 days, and that's because I had some news. We had a death in my family. So we're up in DC visiting. But yeah, y'all seen the clips before. We made it here. I'm about to get the car, go inside my house. We in the hood. So yeah, I'm a little skeptical about vlogging right now, but I'll get back to y'all in a few. All right, bye guys.
Here you go.
I mean, you got a lot of balloons.
I'm an old man.
Okay, dancing man. Y'all gonna sit there.
I mean, they're gonna be on my vlog, so I'm sorry.
Okay, y'all sit down for the dancing.
No, this only gonna be 2 minutes. Big mama, no.
My word, can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young, I don't wanna, they working my nerves. I'm about to pause, so serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick with your turn. My arm is so
You should be my song. Hold on, yeah, yeah.
Can you say hi to my vlog?
What's up, y'all? Turned down. And what you see the part of the I'm gonna go to the part of the
Y'all, this is my auntie Cora.
I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Give us my only decision. Ain't when I run that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make this right fly like a bird. Spin on the front.
Good morning, guys. So we at Target. We have to run in here and get something real quick. I'm not really feeling how my wig been looking. So I'm going to get some hair products. before we have to head to the funeral and the block party. Come on, Mimi. I'm trying to get Mimi out the car. Ooh, stay right here. Don't move. Mimi's baby fell, y'all. Mimi. So now we head into the Target to go to Target. And we're heading there to go get some things. We ate breakfast this morning at the hotel. It wasn't all that good. Definitely don't recommend, but yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Mimi. You just gotta have to go. Don't touch nothing either. Which way you need to go? That way. It says personal care.
I'm gonna have to go down Chester. You know Bowling Spring. You know they putting a super Target down there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And we go to Target, y'all. They got a lot of cute stuff in here, y'all. We gotta go to personal care. That's baby toddler, menswear, kids, bedding. We gotta find the level. They go to elevator over there. All right, y'all. We get in this elevator. We going downstairs to floor 1. Yeah, I guess. Say hi, Mimi. Look at this stuff, y'all. This is 30 to 70% off on all these items in here. Yeah, I see them. This stuff is nice. Look at that. That's cute, right? That's like really cute. And it's a small. I can't fit it, but if I could, I definitely would get this. I need an extra large. That's what I need. Oh, they got... Oh, I can't fit that. Well, we need to find another top. Oh, wow. These are medium. That's cute. I got some shorts in the hotel room that would go perfect with that. Wow, look at this dress, y'all. My mom needs to find a top. She found her a skirt, but she needs a top to wear. So. This is so cute, y'all. I like this shirt. And this one, too. This one's really cute. My mom found a dress. She found her little dressy dress. So let's go see what it looks like, y'all. Let me see. Let me see the dress. Oh, yeah. That one looks nice. Yeah, that looks real nice. What y'all think, y'all? Put in the comments what you think. Y'all, what y'all think of this dress? I got pants underneath, but I just want to try it on real quick. It's $20. It don't look bad. The lighting is horrible. Maybe I should do this side. It don't even look too bad.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the belly, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me,
Thank you.
fly you out to Greece.
Oh.
Full speed.
Y'all, so I got me some shrimp fried rice in my little Chinese box. This is what I miss being back home, y'all. This is my favorite ever. And then I also got me some shrimp lo mein. And I got me some chicken. And I got me a steak and cheese egg roll, but it's down in the bag.
I hope they don't think I told you.
This is my shrimp lo mein, y'all. Don't it look so good? I put the mama sauce on top of the chicken. It looks so good.
Get out.
Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on this, cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on this, heart on nice, it really best of me.
Even though he don't know how I been living, you a little nigga, stop a bitch falls. It's something to stop.
You know, young rich niggas. You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Hey! Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set.
So I'm inside right now. It's hot outside. I had to come inside to cool off. But as I see in the footage, it is lit out there. Right. So I'm sitting here relaxing. I need a second. My family is all the people y'all saw out there. Yes, that's my family. Sad to say, but yes, little. Alright y'all, so we're now leaving the little get together. Y'all see what I have on? A black dress. We're finally leaving. We're about to go back to the hotel and relax. But yeah, it was a fun time. Seeing my family that I haven't seen in a very long time. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. So I've made it back home, as you can see. The last time I saw y'all, I was at the party. The party was lit, y'all. When I tell you it was a vibe, it was so much fun. I seen family members that I haven't seen in like forever. A lot of them people I haven't seen since my dad died. My dad died back in 2020 of December, and I haven't seen some of my cousins since then. Still was so fun and just had a great time. My cousin had passed, and we had like a celebration of life block party. It was the party of the century. That was like the whole thing, party of the century. And definitely was like, it was beautiful. But we had a great time. Let me see, the last time I talked to y'all, I was leaving the party. So after we left, we went to Giant. It's like this grocery store back up there. We got some food from out there. And then we went back to the hotel, took showers, and got in the bed, y'all. I was so tired. Time I went to sleep at like 2 a.m. So I was tired. After putting Mimi to bed, giving her a bath, me taking a shower and bath, like I was done. The next morning we woke up, we had hotel breakfast. The hotel we stayed at was the Wingate by Wyndham. It was a nice hotel. It wasn't too bad. We only stayed there for 2 nights anyway. It was Saturday, check out on Monday. There they had the breakfast there was good. Like they had eggs, bacon, sausage, like bagels, croissants, stuff like that, cereal, juice, water, whatever. Coffee, of course. So that was good. Then after we left there, after we checked out the hotel, we went to my grandparents' house. I didn't take the camera and vlog none of that. But we stayed there for about an hour, I want to say. And then we hopped on the road to come back to South Carolina. So, yeah. Now, we normally take 95 to go home. But this time we went through the mountains. Instead, we took 77. Well, 66 to 77. And we went through the mountains. So, it really wasn't much to see. But I did get some clips of the mountains. Matter of fact, I'm going to implement it right now so y'all can see it.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find.
Did y'all like those mountain clips? The mountains was nice. It was a nice scenery. I just felt like it took a little longer because it was like an extra 46 minutes into our trip. However, and then it was like really no stops. Like it really was no stops like that. It was not that many like gas stations and restaurants and things like that. I prefer 95, but 95 was backed up traffic, like way too much traffic. So yeah, but I got home last night at like I want to say 9-ish, like 9:30. We got home at 9:30. I took a shower and I got in the bed. I was so tired, y'all. Why I come home and the house is dirty? When I tell you the house is dirty, I don't know what Gerald and the boys was up in here doing. When I left this house, the house is clean. I come back, the house is dirty. And I'm like, what was y'all in here doing? Wrestling? Like, so I'm going to be sweeping and mopping today. That's what I'm going to do. That is exactly what I'm going to do. But I had so much fun seeing my family, spending time with my family. It was definitely a vibe. It felt so good being back home because I haven't been back home in a minute. And if you don't know, I'm originally from DC and I moved to South Carolina like what? Let me see. Carter is 8. So I moved like 5 years ago, maybe. Yeah, I moved 5 years ago to South Carolina and I've been here ever since. So yeah, I had so much fun, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm about to end it right here. I honestly don't know how much footage I got. I really don't, because I've been vlogging for a while. And this vlog about to be hella long, I think. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.